Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Max, and if you're new on this channel, welcome. Kindly like, comment, subscribe, watch, and also turn on post notification to stay tuned to this channel. So I want to thank each and every one of you that are my old subscribers who are always coming through, always liking, always commenting. I do not take your love for granted. On this episode, I will be doing a short unboxing video and also trying out a new product that I included in my skincare routine. As we all know, I have done 2 skincare routine videos, and I do not need to do a whole lot of product application to get my skin to look so perfect. But with 2, 3 products or 4 products, you can still get your skin to look good so far as you inculcate the Snail in your routine. So the first product is definitely the rose water. I love to use the rose water on my face because of any inflammation whatsoever, and it has really helped my skin. I do not take it for granted. I include my rose water with cloves, as I do, to make my skin look super hydrated and super free from redness. I'll be making use of is this Tiam Snail Azulene water essence. I got it. It's more like a dupe for Cosrx X, and because of the fact that Cosrx X became super expensive, this is also nice without you having to break the bank. Can you see it? Wow. It's also nice without you having to break the bank. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face. I usually use this a lot because it helps hydrate my face and it makes my face so smooth without breakouts. While that is settling in, I'll be going in straight with this balanced vitamin C serum. As you can see, it's almost finished. So I'm just going to take a little drop here, 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 and here. Please always make sure that the dropper doesn't touch your face so that you don't deposit germs into your skincare product. So I'm just going to let that dry down. I would be moving in straight with this Tiam Vita B3 source. This is my niacinamide serum. It helps me tackle breakouts, dark spots, because it has Azulene in it. So just like I said, don't let the dropper touch your face. So you can see, I don't need to go over the bank buying a whole tons and tons of products that I do not need. One secret to skincare is not buying tons and tons of products. It is buying what is good for your skin and sticking with it. I want to let you all know that It is not very mandatory to use high-end products, especially if you cannot afford them. But I would definitely advise you to try skincare, and you can't be doing skincare without sunscreen, you understand, because you will be exposing your skin to a whole lot of sunburn. And these products do work. They are not bleaching products. I do not subscribe to bleaching products. They are products that you will use that will help your skin glow, that will help treat certain problems in your skin. So do well to incorporate a new skincare product into your routine. Before you always get a new skin product, if you have the opportunity to consult a dermatologist or whatsoever, always consult your dermatologist before you incorporate new skincare products, especially if you're somebody that has skin issues. So these products are not fast action products. Fast action products are mostly steroid products, and I will not advise them for you. I will not advise you to use them. So I will ask you to stick with your skincare products. They take months, they take weeks to start showing results. Thank you guys. We have come to the end of today's video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for sticking with me. I really love you all. Bye.